How do you do? It's Lukey Poo at Coon RV, your favorite family-owned and operated little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo, but you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and more information on this unit. Once this unit is unavailable to order, that link will be removed. Kuhn RV is proud to offer brand new Roadtrek Class B camper vans with unbeatable pricing and old school family owned service. Give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVs. For sale today, we have a brand new 2024 Roadtrek Play. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this brand new 2024 Roadtrek Play. As usual, I want to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Coon RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. We're going to go through a full demo with you at the time of sale. As a bonus here on our brand new Roadtreks, we are going to credit you up to 2 economy class flights to come out and see us. We're going to pick you up at one of the airports here on the screen. We're going to bring you back here to Sherwood, Ohio. You can camp with us here at Crystal Fountain Park if you'd like. We're going to make sure you're fully comfortable before you head off on your Roadtrek adventure. Lots of great things about these new Roadtreks and how these are constructed. Check out our video on that. We're going to put a link to that in the video description and also on the screen. Nice big entryway here, easy to get up and into this camper van. We have AC power here. Nice spot to plug things in. If you got the door open and the screen deployed, you can use this as a screen that you're going to be able to see through and get some fresh air, or a privacy curtain. You can have those deployed and open and close this door, so you don't have to worry about putting those up every time you want to get out. Window here. Command center here has our patio light on off. Water pump switch will pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank. Inverter on off. We have a 3,000 watt sine wave inverter, 400 amp of AGM power. Battery disconnect here is going to disconnect the AGM coach battery system. Got a dial here. You can tell how much power we have. This is for our levels test for our liquid propane gas, fresh, black, and gray tanks. Power awning in and out here. Microwave. Nice backsplash. Going to help keep things clean if you're cooking in your Roadtrek here on this 2-burner propane cooktop. Nice tall faucet. These Roadtreks are really put together well. We can actually shake the RV here by this. Just showing you how well everything's mounted and put together. Again, check out the video we put together. It's going to go through the Roadtrek Why Buy book. Give you a lot of great information about these. I love these power stations they have in here. They're going to have AC power. So your traditional plug-ins, a center USB, and then a DC cigarette lighter type plug-in. Nice drawer here. AC plug-in here in the front of the kitchen area. Nice storage here in these cabinets. Here on the driver's side, we have a magazine rack on the bathroom door. Good sized mirror in this wet bath. Everything's going to be contained here in this one room. Not much of a step up and in. Easy to access the stool. Pull that curtain around you. Going to help contain the water while you're taking care of business. You can latch this door like this from the inside. It's going to give you some extra elbow room while you're in the bathroom. Nice slide out pantry here. Good place for your canned goods, ramen noodles, SpaghettiOs, and those kind of special treats that I love taking on camping adventures. Pudgy pies. Not sure if pudgy pies are a Northwest Ohio thing. Let us know in the comments below. My wife was talking about that. We're getting ready for some camping trips here this summer. Here we have our Vitrifrigo fridge freezer. This is 12 volt or DC powered. It's going to run directly from the coach battery system. This is compressor driven, so much more efficient than the older absorption refrigerator models that you see in many of the RVs that we sell here at Coon RV. Air conditioner here on the ceiling. Can run indefinitely on the shore power plug-in and also from the 3,000 watt sine wave inverter while you're boondocking. Nice closet here. Plug there, the microwave is plugged into. Everything in this coach can run through that inverter. That's a controller for the solar panels on the roof. The ways the coach battery system is going to charge is through the underhood generator while the engine is running. Advantages to that is it's quieter. Get away with running the engine in places where you wouldn't normally be able to run a generator. And that's going to keep you going indefinitely, so keep lots of fuel in your Roadtrek while you're heading out for an adventure. Great storage overhead. You're also going to get charged up from the solar or the shore power plug-in. Get some different plugs in here. The AC stuff on the left and the DC or 12-volt cigarette type plugs there on the right. Here in the back, this is a twin bed model. Got windows that open here and also on this side. You can pull the day-night shades across there to get some privacy if you'd like. Drop this down here with the screen curtain or the privacy curtain. You can have that deployed while you open and close the rear doors here when you're backed up to a beautiful scene here in your Roadtrek. This twin bed model is preferred by many people in some ways because it's easy to get in and out of bed without crawling over one another. It's a very popular setup in camper vans. Some people like this over the front-facing sofa or the forward-facing sofa because you have this aisle here for access from in and out through the back door, whether that's bikes, people, kayak, fishing poles, all kinds of things like that. We have 2 seat belts here on the driver's side sofa and 2 up front, so a total of 4 belts. These are removable, so you don't have to take these with you if you don't want to. You can use this pair here, make up a big bed. Got headrests that you can raise up. I'm gonna drop some pictures now, show you what all this stuff looks like made up and get you some measurements. The rear twin beds measure approximately 75 inches north, south, or front to back in the RV and 29 inches east, west, or side to side. The headrests can be raised for additional comfort. Use the support boards and backrest cushions to make up the big bed that measures approximately 75 inches north, south, or front to back and 72 inches east, west from wall to wall. The seat belts can be pushed down below the cushions for bedtime. Additional storage space and 2 drawers are located beneath the bed area. Why did the coffee file a police report? It got mugged. About 74.5 inches of headroom here in the main part of the coach. Hard surface flooring makes this easier to keep clean. Got those same power stations back here in the back with the AC plug, the DC 12-volt cigarette style plug, and USB plug-in. TV here's on a swivel mount that can swivel around to face the front. Both the front seats swivel. However, your passenger seat's going to get a better position due to the cabinet and the steering wheel here over here impeding the driver's seat. I think they're calling these day-night shades here in the Roadtrek brochures, possibly somewhere I saw. These look an awful lot like screens to me. They got holes in them, so we're going to call this a curtain or a shade and a screen. All the lights inside here just click on and off. So you're going to push everything, turn that on. Same thing here on the ceiling. Lots of great things about the way these new Roadtreks are built. Check out our video on Roadtrek's Why Buy book. It's going to give you a lot of visuals on how they do the CNC precision cut cabinetry, the interlocking subfloor with the docking pockets for all the cabinets. This is our propane furnace. Got a noxious gas detector down here. We also have wheel and wiring harnesses throughout the coach. All the plumbing lines that go through chassis metal go through rubber grommets. Ceiling panels we drop down for maintenance. Just lots of great stuff that they're doing there to build a fantastic motorhome, camper van, adventure machine, whatever you want to call these, or as many people just like to call them, Roadtreks. Storage here above our cabin area. More storage here. Get your new Roadtrek today from Kuhn RV. If you don't see what you want in stock, we can custom order one for you just how you like it. We're going to make it worth your while to come out here to Kuhn RV, beating or matching anyone's price on brand new, current model year, like-for-like units. Pick you up at the airport, pay for up to 2 economy class flights to Detroit, Michigan, Fort Wayne, Indiana, or Toledo, Ohio. Bring you back here. You can stay at Crystal Fountain Park with us before you head off on your Roadtrek adventure. Check these out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV Brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we have power windows, locks, mirrors, lots of steering wheel controls, all kinds of connectivity options here on the head unit. Get your phone connected to that. Really nice power rear view mirror. Allow you to see a lot better out of the back. Got some storage spots here in the dash area. This nice rug that comes with all the Roadtreks here. You can pull that up, wash it. It's easy to keep things clean with that vinyl floor underneath. RAM charger there on the center console. Some different charging ports here. Makes that easy for your passenger to use this as a navigation station. Stick their phone, map, whatever you got up here in the compartments. Got the engine running right now. You can probably hear, or maybe not hear, how quiet that is. So that's one of the benefits of having that underhood generator is that you can get away with running this engine pretty much anytime, anywhere. And that's going to provide you full power indefinitely throughout the coach. So I would advise you, if you have a Roadtrek that has an underhood generator, or any generator really, keep that with more fuel in the RV. Consider half a tank empty, and you'll always have plenty of fuel to be able to start your engine with your underhood generator here, or your traditional generator. It's going to keep you going on your adventure when you're boondocking. Alrighty folks, we're going to go around the outside of this brand new 2024 Roadtrek Play. This camper van measures 20 feet 9 inches bumper to bumper with a 13-foot power awning. This Roadtrek is built on a Ram ProMaster 3500 HD RV ready chassis with a 3.6 liter V6 gasoline engine. Really nice looking color on this one, very sleek. Nice step here to help you get up and in. This is the screen here that you can drop down. You can close the side entry door here while that's deployed. There's also a privacy curtain you can drop down. You can use this convenient magnetic opening here, or you can zip that like you can see with a tent. Makes it real nice to get it in and out of the RV here. Have your awning area set up as a nice fun station for your camping adventure. Coming around to the back. City water here. So we're gonna run the water hose in to provide fresh water. You're gonna get the pressure from that hose, so you will not need to turn the water pump on. Tow package here, it's nice for bike rack, things like that you wanna take along with you on your adventure. 30 amp shore power in here. Comes with a shore power cord, so we're gonna run TV coax in if you have that. Tabletop is stored here in the rear with a mount in the center. Some storage back here. Shore power cord and the boards to make up the bed. Nice having the center aisle here on this bed setup. Get this center aisle here. You can put kayaks, bikes, other things like that you want to take along with you. You can drop down the curtain here. That's going to have a screen or a privacy curtain just like the side entry door. Outside shower, wash off your shoes after a hike or your bare feet after you go for a walk on the beach. This is the back of the tankless water heater. This is gonna get hot, that burns propane. Furnace exhaust, that also burns propane, that will get hot, so don't put things there. Clever dumping station here by Roadtrek. We have both a gravity dump and a macerator pump. So there's a built-in hose here for the macerator pump. You're gonna put your hose on here first. You're gonna pull this gate if you're using the gravity. Then you're gonna pull the black over here. That's gonna let your toilet go. And then the gray over here, which is your sink and shower, is gonna wash that clean. You close those in the opposite order. If you're using the macerator, you're gonna put that into the dump. Then you're gonna push this red button here, and that's gonna run your macerator. This is where you're gonna fill the onboard fresh water tank. That's gonna travel wherever the RV goes. You're gonna use the water pump to pump that out of the tank to your sink, shower, or toilet. This is a coach battery, or excuse me, an engine battery disconnect we added here at Kuhn Truck and RV. That's gonna make it easy to disconnect the chassis battery and shut that off when you're putting this away for storage, rather than having to get into the battery and do all that manually. Fuel fill. Awesome camper vans here from Roadtrek. We love the Play series here at Kuhn Truck and RV. Check these out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers.